Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will show you the easiest way to unlock iPhone 13 without any passcode. If you forgot the iPhone 13 screen passcode, how can you unlock it? Here you can get an easy way. iPhone Passcode Genius can help you to remove the iPhone 13 screen passcode and reset the iPhone. This software also supports iPad and iPod unlocking. Now click Download button to get the software on your Windows computer. Then install it with the on-screen guides. Okay, open the software to begin the unlocking. Click on Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit Start to go ahead. Well, you need to connect iPhone 13 to your PC. Then press the volume up button and release it quickly. Press the volume down button and release it quickly. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Alright, go back to the software and hit on Next button. Hey, the iPhone 13 is successfully recognized by your software. Click on Download button to download the firmware package for your iPhone unlocking. It takes time to download and verify the firmware. Now you can click the Unlock button to erase your iPhone 13 and remove its screen lock. See, the iPhone progress bar is working at the same time. When your software shows unlock successfully, the iPhone restarts. Minutes later, you can set it up from the Hello screen. Well, that's all. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.